Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to show you how to handle the Nano-SIM in the CELLULINK auto routers. All variants, the pole mount variant and the wall mount variant and the cabinet mount variant, are providing an integrated eSIM and a plastic Nano-SIM card. For accessing the Nano-SIM, you have to remove this screw and open the housing. And inside the housing you will find the SIM card holder and the reset button, and you are able to remove the Ethernet cable from the M25 version. So for using a SIM card in CELLULINK we do need the Nano-SIM, and this is the smallest form factor, so we don't need any adapters for using a SIM card in CELLULINK. And before I start to insert the SIM card to the device, it's important to power off the device to avoid any damage. For that, I will remove the power over Ethernet cable, press the clip and remove the cable. So the device is powered off, the LED is off, and now I can start to open the SIM card holder, insert the SIM card and lock it again. On the metal there are some arrows for opening and closing or locking the SIM card holder, and on the edge there is a metal part for pressing and opening. So I will move it to the bottom, open the lid, take the SIM card, and then I can close, and now I have to press again and move to the top. And now I can power on the device again. Yep, thanks for watching and have a nice day.